Hey guys, down here again. I just want to do a quick video on another scrapping of junk metal, and I got here as a vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna scrap it out and see what's inside and take it apart. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is take off that extension cord. I got my little assistants here. Can't do it because it's hard to film and videotape it one hand. And what we're going to take apart is the extension cord, and pretty much of a big cord here. And let's see what else we're going to take off there. You know what, Chris? Here you go. Let's lay this thing down. The best thing to do is just go ahead and whack it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. First of all, there's nothing here. The plastic, and over there is plastic. And here's what we're after right here. Alright. Okay. More copper wire right here, clip it off and down there. And more junk, plastic, rubber. And this is what we're after right here. Electric motor. And as you can see, it's got some copper in there. So what I'm going to do is put it in my bin of other electrical copper motors. Yeah, I think it's got a plastic aluminum. Well, this might be aluminum. Yeah. I think that's what it is. And that's it. And that go in my list of miscellaneous metal pile. And the rest of these can go plastic bin for recycling. Alright. Thanks for looking. Okay. I'm showing some scrap copper wire. Somebody selling on eBay. It's really sold 25 pounds of it, and what they did, they got $75 out of it, $15 shipping. And what I'm getting at here is that instead of taking it to the junkyard, you can put it on eBay as well. A lot of folks probably didn't know about that, but you put it on there and see what you get. And if you search on scrap copper wire, you'll see what I have. And it's just various copper wire stuff too as well, but there's some right here. 46, 42, and 36. And it goes up, and just more and more. So just gotta do a search on copper wire on eBay and just see what I'm talking about. Complete listings. That's another way of selling them. Thanks for looking. Okay, and what I'll show you what I do with my copper wire. You just get you one of those plastic totes that you can get at Walmart or whatever hardware store, and when you clip these wires off these appliances or wherever you're getting them from, just stick them in a tote and let it add up. I probably got about 100 pounds of wire in here. All sizes, all gauges. From cords to internal wiring. But this is what I'm doing with it. I haven't stripped them or nothing, and I probably won't. I'll probably just sell the whole lot just like it is on eBay. Of course, I'm going to take out some of this clean copper I got in here. I just tossed in there. But, as you can see, this is probably about a 40-gallon tote, if not bigger, full of copper wire. And that's what you do. Just put it aside until you get a big pile and just take it to your scrapyard or put it on eBay. Alright, thanks for looking.